How to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to schedule a meeting for a later date, you can go to the Meetings tab in the left-hand menu. From there, select Schedule a Meeting. You can then add the meeting title and select the date and time for the meeting. Once you have all the details complete, select Schedule. To invite others to the meeting, you can either copy the meeting invitation and share it within Microsoft Teams through chat or through your team channels, or by pasting the invitation into your own email. Alternatively, you can share via Google Calendar. This automatically creates a meeting invite in your calendar where you can add guests to join the meeting. And that's how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.